Bro, kamusta? How's your career doing? You're probably thinking if architecture or engineering is a good course for you to take. And as a lot of content are being posted online on the social media realm, whether architecture is better than engineering or engineering is vice versa better than architecture, you might be having a lot of information, basically information overload, and you might be getting confused. To give you a summarized and straight to the point guide, we have divided 9 questions from the podcast to the following videos that I'm going to be posting every week. So let's get into it. Disclaimer, we are talking in Taglish, meaning the Tagalog and English language.
Ano yung naging factors on like what made us choose our course? Like may mga external factors ba or sa family? Bali start na lang ako. Way before high school, I was really interested in drawing. Parang naman ako yun sa tito ko na he was into animation. So dati naalala ko nagdo-drawing ako ng mga Pokemon ganyan. So yun talaga parang inclined lang talaga ako sa drawing in general na.
Pokemon lang. Digimon.
Hindi. Naalala ko specific Naruto tsaka mga anime ganun.
Iron Man.
So ayun nga, bali inclined talaga ako sa design pero nung picking stage, lagi ako nasabihan ni daddy na ba't di daw Civ Eng yung pinili ko? Ay, ba't di Civ Eng yung piliin ko? So, bale, yun nga, dahil nagkaroon ako ng a bit of like technical drawing nung high school, kasi nga drafting, napag-isipan ko na bakit, yun, yung pinagpipilian ko is it's either architecture or Civ Eng. Pero since nga, mas inclined ako sa parang arts, mas na-prefer ko talaga mag-pick ng architecture. Pero, yun nga, yun lang yung naging, like, first or like primary factor kung ba't yun yung pinili ko. Like wala pa talaga siyang masyadong deeper meaning actually. Kasi sobrang vague pa talaga. Yun lang naman yung sa akin so far.
Yeah. Ako naman. Yes. Tapusin natin yung sa Archie. Tapos doon tayo next.
Sige.
Yung sa akin naman, mostly family siya. Parang nung una kasi parang wala talaga akong parang idea kung ano yung architecture. And yun, tulad ni Gerard, mahilig ako sa drawing and stuff. So, parang nakikita ng family. Oo, Pokemon dami. Tsaka mga Marvel characters, X-Men.
Mga body parts.
Body parts.
Yung mata.
Hindi ko expert. Tapos, yun, parang napansin ng family ko na, yun, ang galing mo naman mag-drawing, ba't di ka mag-architecture, ganyan. Parang dati, more on, parang, madalas lang ako, nagba-basketball tayo, 'di ba? Tapos Dota lang pagka-uwi. Tapos ayun, parang after nun, hindi ko talaga iniisip kung ano yung ita-take ko. Then after nun, parang years have passed. So nung nagte-take na ako ng application form sa mga schools, yun. I asked my family, ano ba dapat i-take ko? Pero yun nga, ang first kong naisip since nag-industrial drafting tayo is architecture talaga. And yung family ko kasi is currently noon time na yun nag-build ng house. So parang ang dami kong nakikitang mga magazine sa bahay and stuff. Yun, medyo na-inspire talaga ako na siguro nga tama na mag-architecture ako since naranasan ko na rin sa high school na mag-draft ng mga houses and buildings, ganun. Pero ayun nga parang nung time na yun, hindi pa ganun ka wide yung understanding ko, pero trinay ko siyang i-take. Yun.
Well, if you were to ask me, Gerard, if assuming that we didn't study in a technical school, wala tayong drafting, siguro I wouldn't take up architecture, pero something related to the art. Or basta may designing, anything, graphic designer, art, yun, like what you said, animation. Yeah, kasi parang ever since talaga, kahit ako high school, I really admire art, like, kasi nga, art is so subjective, na parang, alam mo yun, we learn to appreciate it in a different perspective. Parang tig-isa tayo, iba-iba yung take natin on art. So parang ako, kung di ako mag-architecture, basta anything related to arts, yun lang.
Okay. Jake and Phil. Anong factors?
Sige, ako naman ng mauna.
Alright.
So, factor why I chose civil engineering, actually, yun nga, same naman nung roots kasi, di ba, galing sa technical school, tapos same time specialization, the drafting. Tapos, parang nung pinapili na ako ng course, inisip ko, dalawa lang yung parang gusto kong mangyari. Either architecture or civil engineering. I mean, not necessarily fixated on those two, pero parang I had my mind with on those two na. So anyways, parang isip ko, parang hindi naman ako kasing artsy. Well, I don't consider myself parang artistic. Kasi when I'm not downing myself, pero when I was comparing myself to you guys, na I'm not really that great into doing freehand drawing or basta parang anything artistic. So with that, I chose parang something more logical sided, just engineering. And yun nga, civil engineering is what got me here. So yeah.
Ako naman, same kay Phil na parang hindi ako magaling sa drawings. Parang nung nag-drafting tayo, gumagawa lang ako ng plates just for the sake of it. Pero hindi ako nag-enjoy. Parang gets ba? So, parang yung mga drawing, ganyan. Siyempre, requirements sa school. Gagawin ko lang, ganyan. Pero, ayun. So, nung nag-application form na, to relate to your question lang, no, if hindi tayo nag-drafting, baka nasa ako, business management. Kasi, although wala akong business, pero yun talaga yung dream ko nung bata ako na parang gusto ko magkaroon ng sariling business.
Entrepreneur.
Oo, parang gano'n.
Okay.
Actually, fun fact kasi nung pumasa ako ng Ateneo, business management. Pero, ang nangyari was, hindi ako nakapag-enroll sa atin. Parang nasa nalate ako tapos nung mag-enroll na ako, parang pinapagawa pa kami ng essay ba yun? Na parang, bakit? Parang apology letter, tsaka reason kung bakit na-late, ganito ganyan. So parang, hassle, sa Lasal na lang ako, civil engineering, kumusta naman ako. So, ayun, pero looking back, alam mo, mas na-appreciate ko yung civil engineering kasi now na, syempre, working na tayo, ganyan, na-realize ko na parang, as civil engineers, pwede din pala tayo magkaroon ng business.
Yes, yung sasabihin ko sana yun Hindi pa naman tapos yung entrep life natin. Like, pwede tayo maging architect and engineer na entrep din.
Tama. Same. So, ayun, parang marami rin ako na, I guess, nababasa or na parang sabi nila, anyone can start naman a business. Parang, you can learn it through books, ganyan. So, hindi naman sa dinedig, or like, I'm not speaking bad about sa mga business management graduates, pero ayun, yun yung mga so parang no regrets naman ako na civil engineering. Ayun. That's me.
Alright.
And so I hope that video helped you, whether you're just trying to check whether architecture is for you or if you have similar reasons on why we chose architecture or engineering as our course. And feel free to subscribe in this channel. I'll be posting some other valuable contents that you might be needing in the future. So, focus on what matters, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.